Hybrid teaching means learning happens everywhere, not just in the classroom, but how do you capture outdoors events, sports days, or lectures for remote students? With MAXHUB Portable Capture System, you can bring any moment to your hybrid classroom. Easy to set up, easy to deploy, easy to share. Let me show you how. We have one suitcase, and you can put all the devices in the suitcase. We have 4 wheels on the suitcase. You can take it to anywhere. Just regard it as your own suitcase. This terminal, wireless, and it has built-in battery, and we communicate with the wireless channel. This is our camera, and we have built-in battery and wireless model. We have a true wireless microphone. So with the help of our wireless and built-in battery, actually when you want to have a live streaming, it is really easy because you needn't so many cables linked with different devices. You just need to power on all the devices. Then all the devices, they will connect automatically. We have just one user entrance. It is a big touch screen, and you can regard it as your smartphone. You can control audio, video, and a lot of functions. If you want to record different channels, you can select different channels. And also, you can select different layout about the PDM, like left and right picture, anything you want. Sometimes maybe you need some special effects during direction, and you can select it. Then you can get it. All the function is integrated in this terminal, so it is really easy to operate. About hybrid learning, how to sharing, it is really important. With the help of RTMP, RTMPS streaming, and we can talk with different live streaming platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. And also we have a UAC out. You can talk with some meeting software like Google Meet, like Zoom, like Teams, anything you want. You have a lot of options. This wireless camera have a 20 optical zoom and 40 hybrid zoom. When I move, the camera will move with me. When I down, and the camera will down with me. When up, the camera will up with me. And it is really convenient. So with this kind of functions, and we can save a lot of time for the teacher and save a lot of energy investment for the teachers. Last one is flagship audio, and we have a true wireless microphone. Also, we have a lot of interface. We can link with some existing audio systems. We can mix them together. MAXHUB Portable Capture System. Easy to set up, easy to deploy, easy to share. Crystal clear audio and video for seamless hybrid learning, no matter where your students are.